Uy, teka. Naghahanap ka pa rin ba ng auto? Wala pa din. Ang dami ko na pinakita, wala pa din. Oh, tingnan mo to. Sigurado kahit saan, kaya kang dalhin yan.
Sa'yo na tong 2020 Mitsubishi Strada GLS Automatic. 14,000 mileage, number coding every Tuesday.
Makinis. Diretso. Ito na brand new.
Factory paint plus all parts are intact and genuine.
May
Keyless entry and locking system. Forward collision mitigation system. This feature detects vehicle and pedestrian ahead, preventing or reducing the impact of collision. And ultrasonic misacceleration mitigation system. This feature prevents accidents resulting from improper use of accelerator.
Silipin mo.
18-inch manufacturer's rim wrap in thick tires.
Silipin mo.
Powered by 2.4-liter diesel engine equipped with variable geometry turbo and MyVec.
Halika! Ikutan natin loob.
Dashboard, center console, and sidings are intact, plus all electronic devices and switches are working.
Eto pa!
Power folding side view mirror, push start and stop button, stability control, paddle shifter, adaptive cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission, auto climate control, and touchscreen head unit.
Sariwa pa loob, di ba?
Fresh fabric seats 4.5. My tools, my jack at spare tire.
Uwi mo na to. Habang nandito pa, mag-message ka lang o mag-iwan ka ng comment. Click mo yung mga button sa gilid,